Hello everyone. Now we can discuss about correlation in statistics. In previous class we can discuss about measures of central tendency and measures of dispersion. Now we discuss correlation. In this class, what is simple correlation and types of correlations, scatter diagram, linear and non-linear correlation, and what are the formulas to finding the R value, that is called as correlation value. Now we can discuss one by one. Now we can discuss about simple correlation. In the simple correlation refers to the relationship between the two variables x and y. We taken as the two variables x and y. What is the relationship between the variables? That is called as simple correlation. In the relationship sense of either quality or quantity. So the relationship of two variables, that is called as simple correlation. The next one, types of correlation. In types of correlation, we have positive, negative, partial, multiple, and no correlation. First of all, we taken as the positive correlation. In the positive correlation, we taken as the two variables x and y. Here, the value of the two variables changes in the same direction, that is called as positive correlation. The negative correlation. The negative correlation, we taken as the two variables x and y. Here, the value of the two variables changes in the opposite direction, that is called as negative correlation. Here, the positive and negative correlations are called as simple correlations. The next one, partial correlation. In the partial correlation, we taken as more than two variables, but the correlation between two of them and all other variables are constant, that is called as partial correlation. The next one is the multiple correlation. In the multiple correlation, we taken as the more than two variables, but the correlation between one of them to the other grouping consisting of the other variables, that is called as multiple correlation. The next one is the no correlation. In the no correlation, there is no relationship between the variables, that is called as no correlation. The next one is the scatter diagram. In the scatter diagram, the pairs of the two variable values are plotted on a graph sheet, that is called as scatter diagram. The points of coordinates of two variables are plotted in graph sheet, that is called scatter diagram. The next one is the linear and non-linear correlations. The linear and non-linear correlations depends upon the scatter diagram. First of all, the linear correlation. In the linear correlation, all the points lies exactly on a line or around a line in a plotted graph sheet. That is called as linear correlation. The next one is the non-linear correlation. In the non-linear correlation, all the plotted points on a graph sheet lies exactly curve or around a curve, that is called as non-linear correlation. The next one, what are the formulas to finding the R value, that is called as correlation value? We have the two formulas. The first one is the Correl-Pearson coefficient correlation formula. The next one is the Spearman's rank correlation formula. The first formula, Correl-Pearson's coefficient correlation, refers to quantity wise. The next one, Spearman rank correlation formula, refers to quality wise. Now, what is the Correl-Pearson coefficient correlation? In the Correl-Pearson coefficient correlation, the covariance between the two variables divided by the product of their standard deviation, and it is denoted as R. This is also called as product moment correlation coefficient. In the Correl-Pearson coefficient correlation, we have the different formulas to approach the R value. And then the R values always lies in between -1 to +1. The next one, Spearman's rank correlation. In the Spearman rank correlation is denoted as rho. It is based on quality wise. In the Spearman rank correlation, assigning the rank of the given values and approach Spearman's rank correlation formula. Sometimes the ranks are died if you have approached the m times of formula. Here, The rank correlation values also lies -1 to +1. Then the Correl-Pearson coefficient formula R equal to summation xy divided by root of summation x squared root of summation y squared. The next one is Correl-Pearson's formula R equal to n into summation xy minus summation x summation y divided by root of n into summation x squared minus summation x whole square root of n into summation y squared minus summation y whole square. The next one of Spearman rank correlation formulas rho equal to 1 minus 6 summation d squared divided by n into n squared minus 1. If the ranks are died m times, then the formula is rho equal to 1 minus 6 summation d squared plus m into m squared minus 1 divided by 12 divided by n into n squared minus 1. We can discuss the problems in next video. Thank you.